Okay, what I'm suspecting is there's a bird's nest inside down that tube, sitting somewhere in the middle, probably in this area. That's what I'm suspecting. Okay, so I need to find a flexible tube to push that bird out, and I found a water hose. And because the water hose, the surface area is so small, that's the end of it. I'm suspecting that it's probably not big enough to push any bird out. So what I did is I tied a tennis ball to the top of the hose. Looks kind of weird. My hope is that big enough a surface so that I can push that bird out. So we'll see. All right. It's in. Come on. And it's too flexible. So this would have enough energy to see what's in there. Let's see what's in there. I don't see anything.
You're broadcasting it to the world?
Okay, I don't see anything. That's clear. That's good. Hey, can you help me out a little bit, huh?
Yeah, you haven't. 还没找到它。
Okay, can you hold this thing right here? Just hold the camera. No, just hold it. I'm trying to push it out.
Do you see it? Oh, sorry.
No, I don't see it. I'm hoping that this too flexible, a little bit too flexible. It doesn't have any strength. Let's see. It's in there. It's somewhere in there. It's not coming out because I think it's got a nest.
But why is it in there?
Okay. All right. Come on, buddy.
So eventually it's gonna come out to the other side.
That's my hope. Okay, let's see. Oh, so it's got in quite a bit.
Oh, I hear the birds chirping. Did you hear birds chirping? Did you just hear that?
Yeah, I pushed something out, but did it come out?
Well, I heard Well, it could be other
I don't
birds.
know. It could came out. Let me see.